There you go. There's some assistance. What are you doing in there? I thought you were done. Why'd you go back in? Oh, we have to come out again? Excuse me, you made a mess all over the floor. Are you going to put those clothes back? You made a mess all over the floor. We got clothes to put away. Where are you going? You got to clean up your room. Are you listening?